You say time's so wrong in this country. That would be 1:45. 1:45 is 2:45.
What say? Yeah. People say 1:45.
No, none of the kids say that.
No, they don't know. They don't know how to do that.
No, but it could be 13:45.
Yeah, and I would know that because we say it like that. We also have 24 hours.
The kids do everything digital.
But you have the day. But you always have the date, the month, and the year backwards.
No, you have it backwards. That's all you.
No, we're America. We're special.
Why is it month, day, year? It's obviously it would be day first because it's the first day, and then month, and then year.
But we're the most confusing country. You use grams and miles per hour.
Yeah, we do.
It should all be metric, one way or the other.
You use both?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Instead of kilometers per hour on the road, it's miles per hour. Right? I did not know that until last year. Do you know why? You know why? Just a stupid factoid that I had. Do you know why tea is the drink in Britain?
Why?
Because up until the 1830s, they drank coffee all the time. Until there was a blight that killed all the coffee trees in Ceylon.
Now we have.
And all they could get was tea.
I love tea.
And that's all. Up until that time, everybody in the UK drank coffee.
Yeah, that's crazy. Because coffee's so big here.
Yeah.
It's not very nice.
Well, it depends where you get it.
Yeah, I mean, I have only been going to fast food places for it.
And what's the national drink in Zambia?
Tea. Most people drink tea, yeah.
Alan, they all said it loops.
Yeah, but it's not right.
What's that?
They said it loops down there.
Yeah.
Alan, you gotta show me where to go, bro.
It's not the right
I've been in 3 loops, 4 times trying to show where these people go.
Everybody's confused.
This doesn't go anywhere over here.
Excuse me.
Am I guessing?
Excuse me.
No, we were going out to Alan.
Back here, does this go
Excuse me,
anywhere?
Mason.
Or does
You
this
want me to get
go?
through?
Excuse me.
That way it goes.
You'll let me through.
Yeah, goes out.
Move.
Oh.
Get through.
Really?
What are you on?
If we go out, make a right. We're headed out.
Okay, where are you going?
Where are you guys coming from? I thought you guys went over there.
All right, we gotta go back.
They want to leave.
I want to stay kind of.
I want to say.
No!
I want to say.
No, because we went down and then we looped around back into the same place we were and then came down here.
Got it. All right.
Oh!
So we gotta go back.
What?
Where is the exit?
It's where we go out.
Fun.
It's where we came in. Why?
I'm free.
Yeah, I want to continue.
You freezing? Yeah.
Yo, it feels.
I want to
Okay,
continue.
Al and I are sweating to death. Are you freezing?
I don't want to continue. Alan, can we continue?
Yeah.
My goal.
All right. Why don't we get everybody in the room and we'll decide. We'll see who wants to get out and see who wants to keep going, and we can split up.
So which way do we go? Which way are we going?
Yo, where's Chuck?
Let's get into that other hall.
We're missing a person.
There's
There's like.
yeah, where the rocks are. There's like 2 to 3 hallways that intersect.
Are you saying?
Yeah.
I love them.
Alan, go left, right?
Yeah.
All right, everybody get on.
Correct.
Yeah, turn left.
Where are we going?
Y'all better know your left and right.
I don't know.
What? Wait, where are we going for real?
GG. What makes you think I know?
You just said you.
I thought you were going.
Let me go.
I have no clue where we're going. Where are we? I'm following you guys. What? What?
I haven't seen you in 30 minutes, bro. We got Yo! Oh my God!
Y'all gotta get out the way.
See you in years.
Get out the way.
Bro, can you stop running a moment?
Wait a minute. How are we coming out of there? We have to go that way and make that way and make a right. You can go out there and make a right. Yeah. We're gonna get together in that hallway over there.
I don't.
There's the hallway right where you can stand up. Go till you can stand up. And then we're gonna gather there and figure out what we're gonna do. Okay, I need to get that way so I can get up there ahead of them.
We were all just up there.
Do people want to leave?
Way back that way. Go right.
All right, we're going to stand up here in this hallway.
Oh, he said here.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, where we can have everybody standing up in the hallway.
Okay.
Can I just sit here?
Yeah. Yeah, you guys could just stand up in wherever is comfortable. I just want to get everybody together.
Yeah.
Brandon, where you at?
Oh,
Brandon, get right. I mean, how's Brandon? Oh, whoa. Get right there. Wait, hold on.
This is fun. I really like this. Wait, that's
You having fun? Good. Glad to hear it.
I actually have to pass out.
I want to talk to the whole group.
Calm down.
When are we even listening?
We're gonna just decide who wants to do what and then split up.
I need to get out.
Okay.
He's showing up there in the seats. Chill out.
I need to get out. No, I'm not waiting.
Brandon, what time is it?
Okay, let's just get everybody up here.
I really need to get out.
All right.
Allen, why do you keep making us
Yo, Chuck.
end up right here?
Chuck, where were you, bro?
Chuck. Yo, we found Chuck first. We the big dog.
I never looked.
Okay, come up here, guys.
Where were you?
Come up here. We got to get everybody in this hallway.
They said we could go exploring. You know that little hole you said you didn't want to go into?
Yeah, because I'm not going cave diving. Yeah. I'm not getting stuck.
Come on up here, guys. Let's get everybody up here.
Yeah, I want to explore.
Wait, when we walk up,
Come on up here.
if we want to leave, we can stay. When we leave, what we doing though? What? Sitting out in the car?
Depends on what you guys want to do.
I would have stayed.
As long as
I ain't staying, bro. We out. Yo, what?
Where did you come from?
I can stay.
We were all just over there.
Football side.
Yeah, my
I just want to be able to see who's in the back.
upside down.
Do we have the back?
Yo, more people
The rear of the line up here?
It was Losberg.
For the ones in a bit. Alright, can we speak? Seriously.
All right, listen real quick. Some people want to go out, some people want to stay and explore more. So we're going to divide into two different groups, okay? If you want to get out, if you've had enough, it's okay. Over here in this hallway.
Right up this, right?
Yeah, we're just going to stand in that hallway. If you want to keep going, let's go down in this hallway, down here, okay?
Chuck, wait.
So if you want to leave, go that way.
Are you gonna keep going?
Yes.
Guys,
If you've had enough and you want to get out, go over this direction. Just stand in the hallway. Don't take off. Just stand there.
Wait, welcome to over here. That looks
It was a bit of a squib.
Okay, if you want to leave, go that direction. Just stand in the hallway there. If you want to keep going, stand over in this hallway over here.
okay. Now I have to get back up. Do I gotta go around?
There's a hole there.
I noticed.
Right here.
That's why we have knee pads. Yeah.
Alright, what do I say?
If you want to get out, we're going up that direction. If you want to stay, we're going that direction.
You leave it, Omar?
I'm not coming over. I'm staying.
All right.
Can you by any chance count how many kids we had before we left them room?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
many did we have?
That would be a good idea.
Oh no, Chuck went over there.
So bad.
Chuck left us again.
Chuck, how many kids? Get back here. Get back there. Chuck left.
He went back there.
1, 2, 3. Chuck. 4.
Is he actually there or is he
Five.
Somebody think go back there.
6.
No, I'm still pretty sure Chuck's
I'm saying 12.
Chuck's so hard.
13. 14. 15.
Oh, that hurt.
You all right? You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I barely even explored it. I'm
Is anyone in there? I'm gonna go. Okay, wait, you don't have to.
Are you gonna keep going?
No one's in there?
No, nobody in there.
Okay.
I think so. Ellen, which is the way out.
Just needs how many numbers are.
That's good. Okay.
I'll put you in Ray in charge. I'm gonna, the ones that want to leave, I'm going to get them out. Before I come in.
want to leave over there.
Alan, so that's leaving.
Huh?
Leaving us? Yeah.
No, I'm just going to get the ones that want to go out, and then I'm coming back in.
Oh, perfect. Jazz. Isaac, Chuck is gone again. Jazz. I don't know where he went. He left. Do you want to head out with the group that's leaving? With Mike?
All right, I'm gonna take the group that wants to go out to make sure that they get out safely, and then I'm gonna come back in. Okay? Now the ones that want to stay, Freya,
Yeah. I'll stay.
I'm gonna tell you what.
No, they're going with.
There's some really challenging parts. If you want to go. Down here, make a right. You're gonna go down a big rock, and there's a hole a triangular hole about this big.
Okay.
You slide through the triangular hole, and it goes into another room. And there's places in there that you can explore.
Okay.
It comes out over here, or if, how do we get to there? Back through here, if you go down that serpent spine looking floor, you can go, the hole that I was trying to keep people from falling under, you go down in there, and there's a whole another section down there.
Is it down here to the right or down here to the left?
Yeah, either way or both. Anything that you want to do.
Okay, awesome.
Okay? So,
Say either. Yeah, so got it.
all right. Is there going to be an adult outside with these guys?
Yes, two. I said Jasmine and Mike are gonna go out.
Okay.
Where's Karen?
She's back right behind Jasmine.
All right. I'm gonna make sure these guys get out, and then I'll find you guys when I come back in.
How many are we going now? 1, 2, 4.
Excuse me.
Alright, y'all are staying?
Are you guys staying? Okay. I'm gonna head down that way, guys. Down that way, make a left.
Is Isaiah leading them? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Thank you. Okay, let me go. I'm gonna hook myself around. Alright, you put down your mom too. Who's leaving? I hope my mom. So Jazz, 3 kids out there. Can you move down because I'm gonna hook myself around?
Wait, what about the counted alleyway?
All right. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna lead you guys on how to get out. This is just you 3 going out?
We got
4? Okay. All right. We're gonna go up here. Gonna go over these rocks, or you can go under them. Either over or under. That's it. And just go straight. No, not up. I'm sorry. Not up, just over. Or you can go down underneath them here. Either way works.
And that takes us to the shimmy room, right, Alan? Go left, we get that shimmy part thing.
Yeah. We just go straight. Yeah. This leads out to where Wishing Well is.
Right.
Who have I got? No. Say names.
Ellie. Guys, say your names.
Go.
4 of us. Where do we go now?
Okay, just hold up.
I'll show you.
I'll show you how to get out.
This came like the back of his hand.
You know this came like the back of your hand?
Yep.
And how come you told me you didn't know? It's not funny.
Because I'm teasing you. It's the most fun I get to have. Okay. I'm going to get out in front of you and show you how to do this next
You don't have to go
maneuver.
down the hole, right?
No.
Okay, I got it.
We're not going to do that. We're going to go this way.
It's really smooth.
What we're going to do, it's just a little tricky, but it's really not. See this crack here? We're going to step here, and then step up to here, and we're going to shimmy up that way, okay?
Okay.
What?
She looks so scared.
She's like, she's had enough, huh?
I never came down this way. I never wanted to come here in the first place.
Okay, just like that.
Why is it so wet?
Because we're underground.
Ow! I just hit my elbow. Girl, I'm about to slip, child. Shit. Oh, this is slippery. Sorry, when would this be posted on YouTube? No, you're not posting it. Did you get any videos of me? Good. You're not posting it, and I'm scared. What's your YouTube channel called?
Hmm?
What's your YouTube?
YOUCave.
Yeah, it's called YOUCave?
Yep. Well, sort of.
What is it called?
I think it actually is my name, but YOUCave is.
YOUCave, I saw it before.
You saw it?
I would need your YouTube. No! By the time we leave.
Yeah.
Oh, this is hurting my elbow.
Well, I could show you.
I would like That's not funny.
Use 2 hands.
I would like
Be careful. This is slippery.
I don't like this. Where's the exit? I'm for real.
We're going there as fast as we can.
I'm kind of running.
Just take your time climbing down. Okay?
Alright. Oh, I just managed my body. You just what? She's just talking. Alan,
Uh-huh.
you're really brave for this.
What?
You're really brave for this. What made it Who?
Really brave.
I thought I was, but it's so slippery in here.
It's very slippery, yes. That's why you have to hold on. Take your time.
Is this the hole we came out? Hell no. Whoa!
Take your time.
Come on, I'm not sure if this up down here. Come on. Come on in. Cut. Come on in. It's not
Hold up
my
1 sec.
thing. I'm trying to get out.
Let me get down here. Okay. What you're going to do is hold on to your stump and bring your legs over here. You're going to slide down here and try to land here, okay? Put your legs over there. That's it. Just like a sliding board.
How do I do it?
You got it. You all right?
Wait, how do I get down now?
Just walk that way.
Alright. What am I supposed to do?
Hold on to this stump thing. Put your legs over here and slide down. Aim for the